What do you think you're the coolest guy in the parking lot? And then this guy shows up. What do you think you're the coolest guy in the parking lot? And then this guy shows up.
Took her down the road for a test drive the other day. I thought people were going to snap their necks trying to figure out what it was. Runs pretty good, drives pretty good. Man, she's a biggin'. She's 38, 24, 36 or something, man. I don't think I got a girdle big enough to fit her in there. Talk about the pot calling the kettle black, right? Woo. See, I love the big ones, but my goodness, that's a small cab to put on the wide front end. Oh my goodness, this is going to be what's wrong? Mock up.